What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, good morning. And welcome to this video about Flux, which is a crypto I actually covered quite a lot during the time I did YouTube. But I haven't covered it for quite some time, which is a shame because Flux over the last month has been really bullish. I still like the project. The project used to have a very big community behind it as well. That community has shrinked a little bit, but there's still a great community behind it. So today when I saw that it was relatively bullish again and it's getting towards that 100, top 100 in cryptos in market cap, which is great and I think it's deserved. I wanted to cover it again today. We're up about 8.5%, so nothing major, but against other cryptos that's pretty bullish. Other cryptos are showing some bearish momentum right now. Apart from that, volume is amazing at 68 million, went up from 9 million to that 68 million that we have right now. 23% of the market cap, that's great too. But as you can see over the last month, we've actually, while other cryptos have also gone up at the beginning of August, most cryptos actually dropped down in the middle of August. Flux did too, but then we actually managed to climb to higher levels. And you can very accurately see that in the chart. First of all, that parabolic rally since the beginning of July. Beginning of July we were at 41 cents, and right now we're at 1.13 cents, $1.13 I should say. So that's amazing. That growth already is amazing, but you can also see that we have stayed quite strong over the last month, while most cryptos actually dropped down quite significantly. I think you all know that, all right? So to me, if we take a look at the short term for Flux, what we have done is we have found resistance right here at around that $1.2, $1.25 level. And while analyzing this, I have to be honest with you, I kind of struggled because there's two things going on really, right? We have this resistance level between $1.2 and 1.25, and we have this break retest we had off of this level right here at 1.15 and this 1.12. You can see that trend line, the key area. We really did break above that, and we already took a break retest off of that too. You can see between that green and red candle, there's a stick. But to me, I think that $1.25 level, unfortunately, is too strong. And that's why I think that we'll drop down to 1.05 right here, maybe find some support there. But I think we're going to slowly start to drop down towards this level right here, around 90 cents, a little bit higher than 90 cents, but around 90 cents. And then from there, I think we can actually consolidate. And if the market circumstances allow that, so if Bitcoin is still above 19,000 and kind of bullish overall, as long as that's the case, I think Flux is strong enough to slowly, kind of in the more long term, also set up a move all the way up to 1.3 and set in that new local top. I think that's possible, but as I said, on the short term, I am expecting more bearish moves. I think the market is at this point of time, it's too bearish. All right, altogether, but apart from that, I also think we reached some major resistance levels up here, and I think that's going to fuel this move. It's not going to be a big crash, it's going to be a downtrend, all right, because we got a great support here at 1.05, at $1, and at 90 cents, and that's why I think 90 cents is going to hold. I even think that might be a great trade. But yeah, so that's why I think initially we'll fall, and then if we have fallen and the market is still relatively bullish, I mean, if the market is crashing, we're not going to get this move. But if it's stable, then I think Flux is strong enough to set in that move into motion on itself, right? All right, so that's basically my analysis and my thoughts on Flux for now. If you do have any questions about it, feel free to ask me down in the comments. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Take care today. Bye.